some interesting information about integrity or Orion. My dear little friends, in this video, we will know about some interesting information of Artemis space mission of America. Number one, its spacecraft Orion integrity has two parts. First is crew module, where administrator astronauts sit and drive the spacecraft, and the second is service module, which contains all the essential things for life support, engine, solar panels, which provide solar energy to the spacecraft. This service module separates from the crew module 42 minutes before the splashdown and burns in the atmosphere, and the remaining part falls in the sea at Point Nemo. Point Nemo is a place in the Pacific Ocean where all the debris of space falls. International Space Station ISS, which is flying 400 miles above the Earth, will be dismantled in 2031, and all its parts will fall in the ocean at Point Nemo. This will be done by the Ground Control Center. Have you ever thought that why the spacecraft are always landed in the sea and not on Earth? Here are the reasons. Number one, seawater provides a safe cushion to the spacecraft falling from a great height, and it absorbs the shock, and that is why it is safe. Number two, as we know that 70% of Earth is occupied by sea, so it provides a larger area and it becomes safer to land in sea. Otherwise, on Earth, there will be a risk of falling the spacecraft on human colonies or other occupied areas. Number three, Orion spacecraft is fitted with 11 parachutes, which bring down the falling speed from 24,000 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour, and the spacecraft land very easily, which is known as splashdown. Number four, another advantage of sea is that the recovery ships and boats can reach at the splashdown site in a very short time, which is not possible on Earth. Number five, from sea, the recovery of astronauts is faster and they can be taken for medical care, which is most urgent for them after remaining in zero gravity for 10 days. After all, living in a spacecraft is not as easier as and comfortable as living in home. Why the spacecraft is always landed in the San Diego of California? Why not on other places? Here are the reasons. This is the safest place, and recovery of astronauts is faster because NASA's center is nearby and the personnel are trained in the sea. Number two, Pacific Ocean here is deeper and remain calm and quiet for most of the time. Number three, this sea has a safe and successful history, and all the missions which were landed here were successful. Point number 7, even after falling from such a great height, how the spacecraft doesn't drown in the sea and remain stable. As soon as the spacecraft approaches the sea, the floating airbags are deployed, which absorbs the shock and it starts floating. Then immediately recovery boats standing there surround it. Apollo was a god in Greek and Roman mythology, and his two sisters were named Artemis. Hence, the name Artemis is given to this mission. And a woman astronaut was going in this mission, so this is also reason why it is named Artemis. Number 9, the spacecraft is named Orion after the Greek mythological hunter whose name was Orion, who was considered a symbol of power and strength. Number 10, integrity is the name given to it by the astronauts to honor the efforts of thousands of scientists and engineers who worked hard for making it. My dear friends, in spite of all safety provisions, this is not an easy task and a cakewalk, and the smallest error can lead to a big disaster. We are thankful to NASA for sharing this information with the whole world, and we honor them for this great effort for humanity. We are also thankful to you for viewing this video. Please share this with your friends, like it and subscribe it. Our intention behind making this video is to spread the great effort of NASA and the astronauts so that the people, the common people, and our children know it and get inspiration from this. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.